Today's story is If You Plant a Seed, Words and Paintings by Kadir Nelson. If you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, in time, with love and care, tomato, carrot, and cabbage plants will grow. Some new visitors. If you plant a seed of selfishness, in a very short time, it will grow and grow and grow. Oh my. Into a heap of trouble. But if you plant a seed of kindness, in almost no time at all, the fruits of kindness will grow and grow and grow. Look how much has grown. And they are very, very sweet. The end.